Welcome back again, guys, and it's another episode of VJ Show, and it's about day 60 of VJ Show, English Show, and what something totally a sunny day for today, and I have totally enjoyed the day. It's because it's something calm, and I'm just keep quiet for the day, and it's some other issues are there which involves, and I don't even want to disclose to you all guys right now. So in the meanwhile, while going on the video, if everything okay, then I will just disclose the content of the matters. So without losing any of the seconds, we are just moving over to the first segment, which is vocabulary bank, and we are just planning for reviewing the previous episodes of three vocabulary which is already been taught, and they are chagrin, CHAGRIN, a keen feeling of mental unease caused by failure or disappointment. Calumny, 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 a misrepresentation intended to harm another's reputation. Mendacious, lying or untruthful, and that's all. And for yesterday and for today, we have just new three fresh vocabulary, and they are ruffian, RUFFIAN, lawless or recklessly brutal fellow. Tickety boo, tickety boo. You know that spelling, right? So it's about TICKETYBOO. Tickety boo, fine or okay. Kangalang, Kangalang, and the spelling is that KANGALANG, Kangalang, unprincipled person, and that's all. And we are just winding up that segment, which is the vocabulary bank. Going to or moving forward to the next segment, which is guess it. Yeah, I'm just giving you a chance to participate, or it should be much more, but much more what some free episodes. Otherwise, it would be a stressful video recording class, right? So I don't want to make such kinds of steps. So can you guess it? The next segment, which is as usual, upper fire. For today's, I don't know whether I want to take any specific topic or not, but it's some incidents. It's because today I just have to take the video little bit late. It's because I don't have that battery in my mobile which is used to record the video, and it's because I just charged, and I have the turbo charger, so I just plugged in around 2:45 p.m. So around estimated time is 2 hours. So as we calculated in that way, 3:45 and 4:45, right? And in between, my first brother just plug off my mobile and just plug in some other light or bulb to get some. She also have some video classes to take, so that's why just due to what lights, he just used that artificial light, and that's why you just get mobile get charged within that time. So I just waited another 50 minutes, not 15, it's about 50 minutes, and another precious seconds just gone for charging, and only after now I just got that fully charged. That's why I am too late for taking this video. So I have that eagerness in taking this video, so I don't want to intentionally don't want to miss any of the episodes on daily basis. So it's what I totally enjoyed the video taking seconds or minutes as whole, I just totally enjoy the way it's presenting. So I have to take much more concentrate on much more other topics as well. So in future as well, I am just planning to elaborate this kind of video presentation. So hope that you all will enjoy. After that, I don't have any much. So I am in the so in the initial time, I just saw that I totally have that being quiet for the day. It's because I am totally being I am totally a short-tempered guy, so I have to control my furious or infuriate emotions. It's because somehow I have that emotion. So if anything happened which is not in a way that I just planned, it will totally mess my mind entirely. So I have to rebuild each and every in a structured way. So it will take much more time. So whenever I have that kind of emotions, I just completely suppressed or compact myself in a smaller way, so that I don't want to mess up the entire atmosphere of mine. So till now, earlier I just have that kind of mentality, but now I totally changed. And if I have to get angry, I just make it angry. It's because I don't want to suppress or make underneath everything on any further pressure. So everything remains me in my mind. So even I even though I have taken such steps or procedures in my life, it won't help me till now. So I am changing my route. So even though I don't have any much further plans or future plans to work it on. So I am just hoping, or I don't even have any hope, but I don't have any further plans. So I am just doing for just watching some YouTube videos in English, as well as I'm watching some movies, etc. And in here, every community or society around us is looking over to if he gets any job or not, why he won't get any job till now, and after that why he won't married. His age is completely uh, going up. So except our mother parents, everyone in the society is being anxious or being annoying for us. So they all strictly behave on behalf of our parents. So it's nice that we have so many relations or take caring, but relatives or neighbors. So I don't like that kind of stuff. So it's because I have to express or make my own emotions in a way that it will conceive myself in a what uncomfortable mode, but I can enjoy. Really, what I have to express is that in a comfortable way itself, I can be happier in a mode. It's because I am really working on that, right? That itself is made me happy, and I totally enjoy that process, the whole process. I don't even enjoy the final out, but I totally enjoy the process. So each and every phases in the process itself, I must ensure that I can enjoy it in the fullest. So I don't want to lose any of the elements during that phase. So there is nothing like that, any negative thoughts, positive thoughts, but totally how we interpret the current status of the way we coordinate everything, it will lead us to the next step, right? So we have to work on that, otherwise it will harm your future well-being too. So it's better, it's already, you all know that we can be independent in each and every instance. So we have to be dependent, right? So in somewhat it's not like that way. So you have to take some more decisions, or some specific decisions in some scenarios. It's not only any biased, or it should be unbiased with regard to any family relations or family emotions or colleague relations, anything like that. It should be dependent on your past experience. Anything that other except this past experience, everything will have its own uh, ineffectiveness, or it's not effective. It's because it's completely based on your future ideas, right? So it should be made by you with your past experience. Then only you can earn some money, or so many estimated output, or some failures. Exactly, not failure, but it's actually the experience, right? So if you have done anything in this universe, you have two what two effects. One is positive, that is the estimated result that you estimated earlier during in your planning process. Otherwise it would be a negative result, which is the experience factor. It's because there is some element which goes wrong. That element should be recorrected, right? In future we can recorrect that same process in a better way. Otherwise it will lead us to the ultimate goal, right? After that we are just moving over to the next step, and it should be ongoing, and you should accept that, or embrace that kind of methodology in your process, not in the not only in the initial stage, but around all entirely should be followed in your path. Otherwise it would be don't get that kind of expected results. It's only you just enjoy the process. Don't want to blame any of your external factors. It's because you have within you have the what deciding factor. So you have to decide whether you have to hear the external voices, or otherwise you have to hear but don't want to listen. If there is hurtful words or phrases there, then you should accept it. It's because their experience is being explained to us. So whether it's for wellness, or being for a positive attitude for us or not, we don't know, but they are just expressing their past experience in their entire life. So we don't whether we have to accept it or not, but we have to what heard about that. After that we have to take a decision with regard to whether you have to take or accept it or not, but go on with your experience. You in itself has some experience, right? And each day passes, you have that kind of wide variety of experience with regard to a person, or regard to human behavior, or anything else. So in this universe you have to express or excel in some of the but areas to cover up. So after that you will properly or perfectly vanished from this universe, right? After that your generation, if there is nothing like that. If can you sure that, as you are sure about that, your next generation can have the all qualities of your behavior? There is not that. There is nothing like that. If you have so many or some of the characteristics of yourself in your next generation, there is some additional to their what behaviors too. It's because it's something a unique product being introduced in the universe. So what all things you have to do in this universe, you only can do it. The thoughts or the ideas that imagined or involved in you can be effectively implemented by you only. So you can only be the what planner, or the designer, and as well as the implementer of executor of your thoughts or ideas. It should be a fraction of a bit idea. It can't have any physical existence, but you have to make it an existent, physically existable in this universe. So you have that effort to put in, and you will get that return or as a result. So that's all. And for today we are just winding up today's episode. It's because I don't know whether it's about any philosophy factors, but I have to express my own thoughts. It's because no one is hearing me. So you all are the only listeners who are listening for me. So it's nice about that I got you all guys. It's an idea which we passed from some YouTube videos. One teacher who gave me this reason, this what this way of approach. So you only get you. I don't have enough friends as well. So I'm just hoping that you all are enjoying my expressions or the emotions that I am just passing over to. So I'm hoping everything will be what there is no such things that nice or same comfort. I always planning, or I always accept the uncomfortable zone. So always I am just focusing, or I am just facing that kind of life. So I don't have to do anything, but the pain within my mouth, it's about totally what devastating for the time, and it's because I totally have that feel what pain at the time when I reached there at the Kochi. It's because of the articleship. I just done my articleship there of the CA course. So at that time itself I have that pain, and still I am just facing off. I don't want to, but I completely enjoy everything, but the pain, it's completely of very drastic situation or drastic way. So I have to make a solution for that. Only by getting a job, then only after getting salary, I just want to replace it, or I have to take off the tooth which is decayed. So hoping everything done on the time, right? Anything like that, hope or hopeless, something like that. Just face the seconds, or for the next past second, I don't even get in the any of my future ages. So I'm just hoping seize my moments. That's the only thing I am just doing. So it's something that I really enjoyed these taking videos. So hope that you all will patiently accept me. So that's the only thing that I can make or made in this universe. So till now, so it's nice that you all have here and listening me, and thank you very much. I'm sincerely conveying my gratitude to you all guys. So we are just winding up today's episode. It's about day 60, right? And 60 of EJ Show English Show, and here Jitin signing you off, and bye for now. See you next time in the next episode. Bye.